Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Shindo Life Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, go ahead and open up Discord. Once you've opened up Discord, we want to click on where it says Discover. And now on the top right, we've got a little search bar. Type in Shindo Life and then hit enter. And now here it is on the top left hand corner, Shindo Life Helping Server. So click onto that. And then at the top, it will say you are currently in preview mode. Join this server to start chatting. So click on Join Shindo Life Helping Server. And then from there, it will say Welcome to Shindo Life Helping Server. And then we will say what's your gender, male. So just go through this. Pick your clan. And then pick your pings. And then read and agree to the server rules, and then click finish. And that's how you join Shindo Life Discord server.